Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, September 23, Monday again. On my screen, you can see Bitcoin on weekly. And honestly, I like how the last candle closed. Just below 64, just below. That give us the opportunity to push higher this week. Huh? Well, let's take a look at what we have here on weekly. Nice close. If we'll see uh, market pushing above this high, the week high here on weekly, 65, $150, well, then we'll have a higher high. Pretty simple. And I'm talking about weeks. Yeah, I'm not talking about candle body close for the moment. It's a big, damn big time frame. So a week above 65 could be enough. If you'll go on daily and you'll see a daily candle close above that level, that will give you a clear higher high. Yeah? So on weekly, if we'll touch that level, it's okay. We'll have a higher high. And on daily basis, if we'll go and close above that level, will be even better. Yeah? And if the weekly will close above, then it's even better than that. In the same time, let's not be too aggressive here because we have the short reload zone. I like the price, how the price is moving, but I'm not trying to predict the market. I just love the fact that we retested everything and we are pushing back higher. Textbook price action. But let's not forget we are in a short reload zone. For us to become have a better overview, if we'll accept higher, we need to see the price at 69 and accepting on daily, weekly basis above 69. That could be next week, for example. Next week we can close above 69, or we can close all the way back down. We don't know. Nice price action last 2 weeks. If we go on daily, okay, let's see the daily chart. Well, we discussed this price action. We discuss this price action every day. Yeah? When we are here, when we took this W, when we took this short here, expecting and waiting a long period of time for this long reload zone, and then an AB equals CD here. Pretty nice price action. We should still have some longs from the bottom here. Hopefully everyone has a 25% from the trade at from long reload zone here. Let me see where I have that one. Well, there you go. For our chart W, I hope that everyone still has some or took this trade. Was a clear and nice trade here. Now let's go back. Morning, guys. Morning. Now I'm hoping for a touch of 65. I'm hoping for a candle body close above that level or something similar, and then we'll have a higher high. But because the market is moving in steps, even if we'll have a higher high, we don't have to chase, yeah? And we'll have to wait for a lower, for a higher low, for example, yeah? So something like this. Stepping up, retracement a little bit. Stepping up, hopefully we'll do a higher high, and then we'll do a higher low here. Hopefully. That's your entry. That's the idea. Well, okay, we confirmed this big W, and now we are retracing and we are hunting long ideas. Pretty simple. In the same time, on daily, you can see the price action here from this top 70 to 49 looks like a range. We can stay in this range for longer. We are getting in the short reload zone. So if I'll see M's in the short reload zones, if I'll see general setups there, well, okay, I'll take it. If I'll see LJs, yeah, if I'll see LJs here, trend lines and EM the other side, I could look for short setup. At this point in time on daily, I don't have enough reasons to think short. Look at the OBV is finally pushing higher. Look at RSI, similar. I don't see divergence. I don't see anything to scare me, to tell me, well, we'll reverse. We are still strong. After 0.5 cut in interest rate, it's something normal to have. And we discussed that. And we discussed it and we said, don't be the public. And I'll tell you again, don't be the public. Now, because looks nice here, but it's kind of dangerous to play. Could be an SFU, and will probably be an SFU here at the highs. Now, lower time frame, you can play an SFU setup. So, Stefan could play in a London session, one VIP, you can look for a SFU here. But overall, trend is still strong. And better decision, instead of focusing too much on Bitcoin, let's focus on some altcoins. There are some altcoins with nice location, with 4-hour Ws, or you can play Holy Grail 550-minute chart, that they have nice upside potential, a lot of them. We just need to scan the market. Morning, Bova, morning, Robert. Yeah, we just need to scan the market and find the ideas. I don't think in end of the September 2024 we should focus on shorting the market. It's just me, just my 2 cents. I'm just a stupid trader telling you what he does with his money. Okay, so that's Bitcoin on weekly, that's Bitcoin on daily. On daily, I'll prefer to see a candle body close above this week high. That will confirm textbook higher high. Yeah? So if the market on daily will accept here and will close this week or any time, will close a daily candle above 65,100, then okay, we have a higher high. Okay? Simple as that. Now, let's see what we have on Ethereum. You can see the W on Ethereum in the long reload zone, similar with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had kind of a V bottom retest, but because it's a retest, it's okay. Ethereum had a nice W here. If you want to take this W, or you took this big W, well, hopefully the market will push higher here, and then you can move your stop and scratch. I didn't took the trade. I was waiting for an LJ, and I'm still waiting. I am still inclined to think range here. Maybe I'm wrong. Sometimes I'm wrong, and I'll get punished for that. But overall, I prefer to trade something else than Ethereum, and you know why. I'll not repeat it again and again. Bitcoin dominance. Well, look at daily. It's pretty soon. Maybe it's not enough, but looks interesting. Yeah? The market doesn't look bad. Let's see indicators here. If this is all the M we can get, well, so be it. But I still think this is a strong support, and let's be patient. It's Monday morning. Let's not anticipate a daily M without having it. Even if to have a clear M here, we need this candle, or we need a candle body close. I don't think it's useful for us to hurry up and do something here. What we can do, we can activate Holy Grail 3-5 minute chart, and you can see, you saw in the weekend my results. Huh? If you look now at Tao, just imagine, I closed everything. I was stopped out at 10R, so I made 10R on that scalp with Holy Grail. But look at now, look at Tao, and you'll understand what I mean. What's the possibility with the Holy Grail? And I closed the trade because it was weekend. I know how to zoom out and keep my stop loss safe. But because it was weekend, I didn't want to overthink, and 10R is more than enough. Guys, I'll close the mic just for a second. I'll be back. And I'm back. Okay, so at least we have something to think about here. Huh? Something to think about. If this is an M and we'll confirm, well, okay. I was thinking that the market wants 60%, but maybe wants to do an AB equals CD. Stay here, consolidate, and push higher after that. Who knows? Or William out. It's kind of ugly for me to think now or think back in the long reload zone. Why? Because we have this strong support here. This is like a wall, like a floor here, and will not be easy to accept below. But who knows? Market. Let's remember that we are in crypto. Market will do ugly things without us expecting anything. Okay, so nice Bitcoin dominance. Let's keep looking at this one this week. Well, you can see on 4-hour chart. On 4-hour chart is looking really nice. You can see aiming out, neckline here. If we'll accept, we'll do another yam, and it's starting to have a downtrend here. Like I said, look left, strong support. But if the market wants to push lower, well, then activate Holy Grail. Let's make some money. And I'll go and show you Holy Grail. I need to do that because just look at this one. This was my 3-minute trade, 10R, 11R, but let's call it a 10R. Book the profit here, close 50%, and then I said I'll trail the rest. Usually I'm zooming out after that. Yeah? After I close 50%, I'm zooming out and I'm keeping the stop loss on a higher time frame Holy Grail. But this time I said that I don't want to bother. Put my stop loss here. I was stopped out. 11R. If I'll play like I'm usually playing in the week, well, let's just see what 34. So hopefully you can understand the strength of a Holy Grail. And you can see if you want need to show you, well, 5 and 15-minute chart for me to trail, and you can see I'm pushing high. But 10R is 10R. Let's not be greedy. This time was a nice one. That's telling me is that maybe it's time to activate Holy Grail and be aggressive. I'm not telling you to stay on 3-minute chart. 15-minute chart is more than okay. Some people would that don't have time, maybe it's better to stay on 1 hour. Will take a long period of time to play out, but you are here to make money, not to have emotion. So take the trade and be patient. Okay, let's go back. Not here, here. Nice to see trying to form money here. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, on 4-hour chart, let's see daily, because 4-hour could be tricky. Well, you can consider this one a double here. I don't. If we'll accept above 00435, this high, well, okay, maybe I could think that he's trying to do a V bottom. But I'll prefer a clear double here. Vitalik is still playing around. So for the moment, I don't see a bottom on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. It's that simple. DXY, it's fighting that 100 level, but my 2 cents is that we'll lose the battle. We'll accept lower and we'll push below 100 at some point in time. It will happen today, tomorrow, next week, I don't know. But it's just my 2 cents. Yeah? Maybe it's different. Okay. Total 3. Total 3 looks interesting here. Yeah? Total 1 and total 2, you know, it's similar with Bitcoin and Ethereum, nothing fancy. But look at total 3 here. Just a little bit higher, 627, and we'll have a higher high. Here we have an internal shift, call it whatever you want. You can see IAB equals CD, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. But for us to change the direction, to be clear that we have to accept above this bull flag, if you want to call it, or downtrend channel, accept above this level, then make a W and we can push higher. But When this one will be all the way up above this level or above this level, I think we'll not have the same risk reward. No? So it's okay for us to anticipate a little bit, yeah? To front run a little bit. We see the market potential, we see that it's outside from the downtrend channel. It's the first time even trying to do that. You can see here, we just touch it and that's it. And now we're attacking it. Let's see if we'll close above, if we'll form a W there, and maybe accept above this level. Okay, yes, we discussed this one over and over again. If the market is staying above the old all-time high, it's bullish. Don't hunt short setups. That's my 2 cents. I'll focus on hunting long ideas. You know me, I'm a range guy. I prefer to play the range. If you see me changing from range to trend, that means I have a good reason for that. And I have to think about a trend. Why? Because the market is above all-time high, closed the daily candle, and is still above. When you see so much strength in ES, well, I think it's okay to think that Bitcoin and crypto could do something similar. Oh, if the market will accept back below and will play the range game, then okay, well, I'll put some orders a lot lower and I'll wait. I'll still focus on long ideas because it's 2024, but at least I'll not be so bullish here. That's my overview, guys. If you need or you want me to take a look on higher time frame or something else, just type in the chat. That's why we have that chat. Yeah, so post in the chat if you have any questions. Hit the like button if you like the content. Hit the dislike if you don't like it. Okay, now let's go on 4-hour chart, altcoins, because we talked about from some time on swing trading altcoins. Unfortunately, a lot of people didn't trust the setup, they trust the influencer, they trust the public, and now they are looking at the chart without any position. That's not good. Okay, now look at IRO. Well, not too many things you can do. We have a position trade here, so we are okay. We have exposure, but you can see it's strong. It's trying to test this high. We try to tell people to dollar cost average and to buy this one here below 30 cents at 30 cents. Now you can see if we'll accept above this level, this is a big double. That doesn't mean, well, Paul said to buy, I didn't buy, now it's too high, what I'll do? Let's FOMO. No. Let's wait because the market will probably give us another opportunity. That's why I have this long reload zone here. We just need to be damn patient and wait for a long reload zone. But next time when you see the market getting back in the long reload zone, imagine that you plan to buy, not to be scared there. I don't have a setup here, but nice to see that the market is strong on IGO. Similar on alt. Strong, really strong, I like it. AB equals CD here is pointing out this high here. Well, not bad. Don't chase here, please don't chase. If you want to play with Holy Grail, okay, but in and out, and that's it. But to chase the market on higher time frame, I don't think it's a good idea. Actually, it's never a good idea. Let's imagine that. If you take the 4-year cycle, it's 3.5 years. It's a stupid idea to chase the market. Market will come back and long reload zone will even break the support. And half a year when the market is exponential, maybe it's not such a bad idea to chase if you are early enough. But if you look overall, well, I don't think you'll compensate in that half a year, 3.5 years of getting stopped out. No? So don't do it. Bitcoin. Well, if you didn't close everything, we'll still have this long. This was a trade from Friday, stopped out in the morning. You can see hit our stop loss. Short at the retest. Well, okay. I'm taking some stop losses. I'm not 90% win rate kind of a trader. My win rate is below 60 because I'm day trading, and day trading is a lot of noise. But with a proper risk to reward, I'm more than profitable. I cannot complain. Here is just showing us strength. You see the blue area where I said from Friday that I'm waiting. You can see we touched that and we quickly rejected. That makes it bearish here now. We'll probably stay here and try to accept, take more liquidity, even if we'll reject. Okay, I don't think we'll have the high before the London or before the New York session. Pretty simple from my perspective. Sometimes it is happening, but I don't think it will be the case. Just look at the highs here. We have some liquidity too, and market is damn close. So don't short here. Wait for another retest higher, even if you want to short, if you want to day trade, if you want to be bearish here. Ethereum, well, I got a feel at the shark setup, and I'm just below. It's up to you if you took 1% or 0.5. Usually I take the shark with 1%. I have a feel I'm slightly in profit, but if the market will prove me that I'm wrong, that means we'll touch this level, I'm getting the fuck out. And I don't have to do anything because the order is already in the market. Simple. So I'm short on Ethereum. It's more than enough. Let's see CRV. You can see it's a daily time frame here. It's not 4 hour, but you can see. We managed to get the proper retest, 61.8. I said the market is strong. Luckily, we got an entry, and we are now having a W above that level. If we'll accept above this level, then we have a clear uptrend and we can play around. For the moment, nothing I could do here, not even to move my stop loss or to close anything. Nothing. I'm still in the same trade, nothing I can do. What I'll do, I'll probably close some here and trade the rest. Try to maximize the profit. Let's go back on 4-hour chart. Dimension. Well, I said repeatedly, don't close the entire trade. Trail some. 20%, 30%, 50%. It's up to you. We had a 3.5, not a bad risk to reward, but why not? If you see that this is a potential bottom, clear retest on higher time frame, daily time frame, you had a retest and the long reload. Why not try to let a move back and try to see if you can maximize the profit? Why not? No new trade here. Just doing. I was hoping for a better retracement on e-gold. It's strong. We need a retracement for an entry. Fat, again, strong. Too strong for me here, and too far away. Nothing I can do. I'll just wait. This one, this is a 6, almost 7 to 1, and we are getting close to the take profit. Took some time, guys. Took some time. 2 weeks. 2 weeks in a swing trade, but that's why it's called a swing trade. Sometimes could last more than 1 month. Sometimes, usually I close the trade. At least on my how I play the market, I close in 2 or 3 weeks. I close the trade, but for a 6 to 1, why not? I think it's a good idea. To chase here, not a good idea. Yeah, on higher time frame, we are forming this big W, and we are waiting for these Ws, daily, weekly Ws from a long period of time. Yeah? It's almost time for us to think about exponential moves. Not yet, but soon enough. So if you manage, you're smart enough, and you manage to get an entry here, why you should close 100% here, I don't get it. At least, well, bare minimum you can do. Let 10% from that fucking trade open. Move your stop at scratch and just forget about it. But forget about it and and just leave it there. Manta. Well, we have a trade on a different template. We are long. Market is pushing higher. That's good. So my $500 challenge is working really nice. But you can see here, similar, big W, big range. It's a good idea. The resistance here to be extra bullish, no. But if you are a daily time frame guy, when you have a job, you don't fucking care about crypto too much, and you say, well, I'll play the daily double. Well, you have a small daily double here, and you have a big one here. Market is trying to tell you, well, I'm going sideways, and I'm trying to consolidate and maybe push higher from now on. We had a couple of weeks, even months, of good areas to buy. We hunted long ideas only, if you remember. Now looking back was a good decision. Let's hope that will push higher. The market could reverse, go back, but that will be a gift. I'll say it again. If the market will come back down in the long reload zone here, that will be a gift. It's a buying opportunity. Don't be the public. Everyone will be bearish again here. You'll have the same feeling. You have to force yourself to buy. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Pixel, well, you can see. It's nice and strong. It's trying to break out here. If you don't have a trade, it's kind of hard to take a trade here. Even if you want to take it, it's not a good idea to take it at the breakout. It's better to wait for the breakout and play at the retest. So don't touch it here. Too short? No. Fight? Well, this one was damn strong. Similar. Look at the 4-hour chart. Go on daily, go on weekly. You'll see big W. For the moment, it's a range. For the moment. Solana, similar stuff. Really nice development here. Okay. A, B, C, D. You can see A, B back in a long reload zone, touch 61.8. This was a nice way to take a mountain man. And look at the result. Now to chase here, well, we have an EM already. Looks like a bull flag. Looks like. But I'll not chase there. Ton, well, for the moment is holding above. I don't think it's enough. I think we need to push lower at some point in time to push here in the long reload zone, but who am I to tell the market what to do? If the market will W out and will push higher, so be it. Doji slowly is getting back in our long reload zone. We bought 50, we sold above $1, and at 70 cents in that area, we can start buying again. Guys, tell me if everything is nice and clean on YouTube. I don't see any message, so I don't know if it's still working. Doge, we are long, and luckily that level hold, and we are pushing higher. Thank you, Boko. Thank you. Saga, well, unfortunately, it's too strong. When I posted and I said about Saga was here, I liked it really. I enjoyed this range, and I saw the strength here. I didn't have an entry. I was waiting. Luckily, maybe I'll get a retest here. No, it's pushing higher. I'm not gonna chase. I'll wait for a retracement. I'll chase with my way of chasing the market. Well, it's a secret, but you should know already. Not a big secret. So how I'll chase the market? How a professional trader should chase the market? Who knows? If someone knows, please tell me in the chat. Well, you should chase the market with FIB. Pretty simple. With long reloads now. Well, I want to chase the market. Okay, let the market push higher and chase it with FIB. Chase it. And at some point in time, you'll get a retracement and you'll get a 61.8. Below 61.8, you are allowed to enter the market. You are not allowed to take anything above 61.8. So now we have the low, we have the high. This is my area where I could chase, where I could enter the market. Doesn't matter what will happen. That's overall the best decision. I feel FOMO, okay, I have the FOMO. What I'll do? I'll chase the market. How? Take the low, take the high, and chase it until the market will top out, and then I'll put an order at 61.8. But you have to be patient. If you want to be the public, be the public. Buy here. Okay. Tao. Well, you can see what Tao did. Really nice. I saw this nice head and shoulder W range consolidation. Was really nice. And look what happened. Influencers start shilling it, but usually influencer they'll take some profit, but they'll step on their own trap. They'll be so bullish, they'll speak about this one will go to the moon, that at some point in time they'll stop selling, hoping that this price will do 100x, and then the price is going exponential and the smart people will sell. So don't buy Tao here. You had the opportunity to buy at $200. You saw the range here. Stefan told you to buy Tao in this area. He made some trades. Don't chase it above $500. Come on. That doesn't mean cannot go higher. If you want to play, you can play Holy Grail, but I will not chase. Yes, on 4-hour chart, you can see doesn't care about the all-time high, still staying above. If we form an M here and we'll accept below, then okay, it was a figure. But until then, no, market is strong. Okay, now let's go on Bitcoin on lower time frame, even lower than what we have. Let's go on 1 hour, maybe even lower. Guys, from October, from the beginning of October, this live stream will be only for premium members. I want to be able to focus on lower time frame, give you some 1 hour, maybe even lower trade ideas. Yeah? So I'll keep doing the weekly crypto review for the public, but this live stream will be only for premium members. Because I did that, I put an offer on premium membership. Yeah? If you buy 1 year, you'll have 3 months bonus. So I think that's a damn good offer. If you want to take that offer, it's up to you. Anyone could take that offer, even if you are already a premium member and you want to renew the time you have as premium, you can buy that one. Offer is available same until the end of September. I think it's a good idea. It's not expensive. Keep in mind, just imagine that we are doing these live streams every fucking day for 1 year, Monday to Friday, only to join this live stream or watch it after that, or 1.5 speed, get one idea a day, play that idea, and just forget about it. Yeah, play OCO, and you'll still make nice money if you know how to play the market. I don't think it's a good idea to keep it for the public. Okay, so here we had a trade, nice EM, didn't manage to get 1-to-1, so stop us out. That's a trader's life, nothing to complain. Now, we had a nice SFU here, nice one, okay? But it was early in the morning for us. So now what we can do now? Well, even if you like it or not, we made a higher high here, and we closed the candle body on 1 hour chart above the week high. That means we should focus on something like this if you are a day trader or something similar, yeah? If you are day traders, scalpers, let's wait here. If we get lucky here, we'll get the price here. Any W, 3-bar fractal bottom to get us in. Or for people who don't have time, it's risky, but it's there. You can take this one, okay? And hope for a 2-to-1 here. Not bad. Market will probably push in this area. Or there are multiple ways how to play the long ideas. Well, you can take the mountain man here and play 7, 8.6. You can take the shark setups in entry at 78.6, or you can even think, well, I see this week low. I'll try to enter here at this low. Candle body lows will be my entry, and I'll risk all the way down here. So there are multiple ways, depending on your preference, how you can play this market. No? My way of playing the market here will be probably the best, because the market is strong. I'll play the mountain man here. Huh? Mountain man, exit at shark, and then I'll play this one. Call it shark, or call it candle body lows here. But if the market will retrace here, I'll long. I don't see M's, so I'm not even tempted yet to short. We can push higher here and then M out. So for me, today it's a buying opportunity. I'll hunt long ideas. And I recommend everyone to play 5, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart. 1 hour to see the overview if you are a day trader. And 5, 15-minute chart to frame your setup. Take the W, take the 3-bar fractal, put your stop loss. Yeah. So up only from my perspective. Market has to demonstrate the weakness for us to short, to even think short. Or even to say, well, I'll stay the fuck out, the market is weak. I don't see weakness in the market for the moment. Okay, that's Bitcoin, and everything is similar. We can go here, for example, take the strong ones. You don't have to stay on 3-minute chart. You can go 15-minute chart and have some ideas. Let me close this one. Yeah, let's hunt. Too steep, too damn steep. And let's keep hunting. Well, look at Zeta, for example. Nice one. You can see uptrend. Fight it here, resisted, and now if will give us an entry, you can see took the high, upside. If you'll take, we'll go back here. Well, you have a setup. 50-minute chart, you don't have to stay on 3-minute chart. A lot of them, they are looking nice. Or if you are a scalper or a day trader, you are sharp enough, stay on 3-minute chart. You'll find a lot of opportunities, but prepare yourself for a smaller or lower win rate. Now look at it. Tao. Even Tao will give us an entry here. But Holy Grail says that it's okay to buy it. Yeah? So start hunting with Holy Grail. All VIP and premium members should have access on Holy Grail. If you want access on this indicator, well, you should become a premium member. It's that simple, guys. Holy Grail, it's a bonus for a premium VIP membership, Capua 1 and Capua 2 students. So if you pay something on Crypto Traders Arena, you have a school program, or you have premium or anything else, you'll have access on this indicator. Don't ask how much it costs to just buy access on this one, because it's just a bonus. I'm not selling this one separately. I'm not giving access even if you pay me 10 times more. Either you are a part of our community or you're not. So hunt for long ideas, hunt the first 20, 30 coins. You see the strongest ones. You'll find entries. Keep in mind, everything is correlated. But if you took an entry like here and you are trailing and your stop loss is here, you are already stop loss in profit. Okay. I blabbed away 40 minutes. Way too much for a Monday morning. I'll just close the live stream, and I think I'll go and scalp day trade with Stefan on VIP. Now you can see the market is pushing here in this area. Don't sell your house for a setup. Yeah, it's just a setup, and we can be wrong. Okay, guys, more than enough I'll just go make another coffee and then I'll start scalping with Holy Grail. What I'll do today, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll just stay on 3 minute chart, 5 minute chart, and I'll play the market on the long side. Okay, that being said, see you guys next time. Bye bye.